Hi guys, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to save without save option on TikTok. It simply means that it is not all TikTok video that have save option. Let's check the share arrow here. So let's look for save here. You can see that this video don't have save option. For you to be able to save this particular video, what you have to do is to use a screen recorder. We have different kind of screen recorder. Download one of them. Okay, so what you have to do is to download one of them. Look at the one I'm using here. Okay, let me go to my Play Store and show you the screen recorder that I'm using, so that in case you want to use yours, you won't get confused. Okay, you can see mine. Let me show you like this. So I'm using AZ screen recorder. That's the first recorder there, AZ screen recorder. So you can use any of them to save the video by allowing it to play while you watch, while it records. So if this video was helpful, do well to like, subscribe, share, and then hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.